Welcome back to Investing with Daddy. Let's get a quick look at the market. So Bitcoin has fallen 20% since January 20th, I believe. That's since the 20th of January of this year. Bitcoin is down 21%, but it did bounce off that zero Fibonacci line, and we are pushing back up. Let's see if we can break that 0.236 line and hopefully get back to the 50% line at about $98,000. Let's also check out the S&P 500. So SPY has topped out. Let me take out those drawings real quick. So there is a shooting star on the 1 month chart, and this candle right here is bearish because we are getting sell pressure pushing back down, and the RSI is topping out. It is falling back under 70. Let's see if the spike can catch a breather and push back up. Also on the stock market side, the blue line is pushing back down under the orange line. That's bearish. Let's see how far the spike can fall. If it would fall more, this candle closes in 2 days. So let's see if it'll close bearish. Let's do a quick fib retracement. So if the SPY would fall down, it must break down through the 786 line, and that would be at the 554. Also, we have some important events coming up. I am pretty sure that we have the unemployment claims coming up pretty soon. Let's see. So Thursday, let's go back to February 26th, 27th. So yes, here we go. The unemployment claims will be this Thursday at 8:30 a.m. This is a big deal. If the claims are higher than 222,000, that is actually a good thing because from now on, bad news is good news. And if the unemployment claims come in higher, it means that Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve, they have more of an incentive to cut rates, and that would be bullish for the stock market, also for cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and our favorite altcoins. Also, something else that I noticed is the DXY, the US dollar index. It is falling back down, which is a good thing when the US dollar is weak. That's good for companies because many companies do business overseas. So it is falling back down. Let's get a quick measurement. So the DXY is down 3% since January 10th. So that's actually bullish for our stock market because, like I said, many companies do business overseas. Let's take a quick look at our favorite crypto XPR network. One of our favorite cryptos. XPR network crypto. Let's check it out. So let's do the 1 hour chart. So just like Bitcoin, it did bounce off. So Bitcoin bounced off Tuesday, which was yesterday, at about three in the morning. It bounced off, and so did XPR. Let me show the screen real quick. So the XPR did bounce off that 004 level, and we did push back up to 005, almost 0.05, and it's coming back down. but we are pushing back up. Our stock market side is looking bullish. We are pushing back up slowly but surely. Also, something that I found interesting was that Coinbase, that $570 million were added as USDC to into Coinbase. Maybe Coinbase is about to add more altcoins, or they are planning something big, or just they want to have money ready for a big influx of new investors, new customers. Let's also check out this other news that we have from Grayscale. So Grayscale files for Polkadot ETF, adding to recent Dogecoin and XRP applications. They have 45 days to acknowledge and view this filing. That's also very bullish for crypto. Let's do one more thing before we leave. Let's check out Seeking Alpha. So today, Wednesday, we do have some important people speaking. So we have Fed Barkin. He'll be speaking about inflation then and now. So Richmond Federal Reserve Bank President Thomas Barkin speaks on inflation then and now before the Northern Virginia Chamber of Commerce. And then later today, we do have another Fed speaker, Fed Bostic. He'll be speaking about housing. So let's see how those things go. And like I said, this Thursday, we do get unemployment rates. And if the unemployment claims come in higher than the forecasted, that's good for us because the Federal Reserve will probably cut rates. Let's take a quick look at the futures. So the S&P 500 futures, they opened up at 6 p.m. here in Arizona, and we are up. So this is let's check out the 30-minute chart real quick. So we are pushing back up. We did hit a low of 5,990, 5,924, but we are pushing back up to 5,993. That's good. The market will open in about 6 hours, and let's see how everything unfolds. So yeah, so like we are bullish on the crypto market and the stock market. Let's see how the Federal Reserve handles these talks with inflation, because inflation is pushing back up. Let's check out the inflation chart real quick. So inflation did hit 9% in June of 2022, and we did drop to 2.5%, but we know we're not pushing back up to 3%. That's also a big sign for Jerome Powell to maybe not cut rates yet. But like I said, let's see if the unemployment claims come in higher, which we want them to, because bad news is good news for Jerome Powell to cut rates. Yeah, guys. So tell me what you guys think, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.